Available now at the Titan Outlet Store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2008 Hyundai R160 LC7 with 3,038 hours. This excavator features a 48-inch bucket and auxiliary hydraulics, along with tracks with 28-inch pads, and an enclosed cab with heating and air conditioning. For more information on this Hyundai R160 LC7, contact our sales team at the Titan Outlet Store. To view more equipment videos, check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel.